Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the personalization. Here we've got whole wallpapers section. As you can see, we've got some live wallpapers, the static wallpapers, which are simply not animated ones. We've got online wallpapers, and you will be able to pick some options from them if first of all you will have the internet connection, and then if you will have the account, the proper account. And here we've got, of course, our gallery, so you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. But let me pick something from the static wallpapers, and as you can see right here, we've got some pre-installed options from which we can choose. And basically all you have to do in order to check the preview of the wallpaper is to simply tap on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately applied to the full screen, so you can check how it will look like. Sometimes you will be able to change the position of the photo of the wallpaper, but as you can see, it's not possible here. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply. And here you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.